correlate storage. Regional and multi-regional storage are used when there is frequent usage of data, frequent access of data. And coming to regional storage is used when the object storage is replicated among multiple zones. That means in single region there are several zones and the data is stored among those zones, and the storage cost is $0.2 per GB per month. And the usage of regional storage is when the object storage is needs to be shared across several applications, we use regional storage. Coming to multi-regional storage, the object storage is replicated across multiple regions, and when the data in one region is lost, we can access the data from another region. In this way, it provides global access to shared objects by reducing the latency, and the storage cost is $0.26 per GB per month. Nearline and co-line storage are used for infrequent access of data. Objects stored in nearline storage are used for access less than once per month. And here, along with the storage cost, we can see access cost. But coming to regional and multi-regional, there is no access cost associated with them. But nearline and co-line has access cost. Storage cost associated with nearline is $0.1 per GB per month, and access cost is $0.01 per GB. Nearline storage is used for older data in data lakes and data backups. Coming to co-line storage, it is used for access when the data needs to be accessed less than once per year, and the storage cost is $0.07 per GB per month, and access cost is $0.05 per GB. It is used for document retention and compliance. The next storage service is file storage. As you all aware of the file storage system, it provides a hierarchical storage system for files. It is suitable for applications that provide operating system like file access. And GCP offers a file storage service called Cloud File Store. It acts like a network file system storage system. It provides storage for network shared files. And the next storage service is block storage. Block storage is a fixed size data structure where data is organized in blocks. Generally, each block size is 4 KB in case of Linux file systems, and it is 8 KB when the data is to be accessed for relation from or to relational databases. Block storage is commonly used in ephemeral and persistent disks which are attached to VMs. What is an ephemeral and what is a persistent disk? Ephemeral disks are the disks which lost the data when it is detached from the virtual machine or the virtual machine gets shut down. But persistent disks are the disks which may retain the data even after the VM gets shut down or it is detached from the virtual machine. The next storage service is CACI. CACI is an in-memory data store which provides sub-millisecond access to data. That means it provides very low latency for data access, and it is limited in size when compared to the SSDs and HDDs. It is limited in size because it is very expensive when compared to SSDs and HDDs, and it is very volatile. The contents of CACI memory gets lost if the virtual machine gets shut down, and only the data that it needs to be very frequently accessed is stored in cache memory. GCP offers a cache memory storage service, which is Memory Store. It is a managed Redis service, and you all know that Redis is a widely used open source cache service. The remaining part in storage service will be continued in the next lecture.